class. We are here today to perform a short debate on the topic, is English is important or not? So we are in the favor of English is important and they are in the favor of English is not important. So without wasting any time, let's begin. I think English is very important for this generation because as you know, everywhere we see the English only as compared to the Hindi. I'm not saying that Hindi is not important, but English is more important than Hindi.
Okay. Can I ask you one question? Why you are preferring English too much as comparison to Hindi?
As you know that our government have decided that English will be given the more priority. I'm not saying that Hindi will be not given, but English will be given more priority. And as you will see, everywhere you will find English only as compared to the Hindi. When you will go to the education side, or when you will go to the scientific side or medical side, or wherever you will go, you will find English more than Hindi. So that side is very important.
Manish, do you have any question from them? Because I love Hindi too much. Because the reason is what?
Actually, I do love Hindi too much.
It's my mother language.
Yeah.
It's my mother tongue. That's why I'll be preferring everything for Hindi. Nowadays, the government is encouraging us. Not they are forcing us to learn English. They are encouraging us so that we can able to run with the other countries regarding the success and for earning the money. Actually, what happened when the people of the India are going to the foreign countries or abroad for the job. Okay, so we all know that in India there is lots of unemployment. So to get an employment, and when we Indian people are getting an opportunity to work outside and to earn more, and we are just migrating from India to the foreign countries for our earning, and there when we are going and facing a lot of troubles there, because those people are not knowing Hindi, and though the other countries are too much technical. Okay, so that's why it is now the Indian peoples have decided that we must have some change in our language, and that's why we are preferring the English. But we are not ignoring the Hindi. Still, when we are talking in our family, we are preferring Hindi because we have a different taste for our mother tongue, and also it's our local language. Nowadays, in each and every government office, you will see all the works are going to be done in Hindi. What is the reason beside that?
No, in government they can work in English. How could you can say?
How we can expect from a person who is doing farming, the people, those who are staying in the backward areas, still they are unable to get the English language. उनके लिए पढ़ना ही is very important. So they are going to the government schools and Sishu Mandirs and all where English is not too much.
But as an English subject, English subject we can see the student can learn English and talk very well.
Okay, one question from my side to the Neha madam.
Okay.
Neha madam, if English is must for the Indian peoples, okay, then why it has not been started from nursery in a Hindi medium school? Why English is preferred from class 6th in a Hindi medium school?
First of all, I would like to say that I'm not saying English is must. As you have already told that government is not forcing us to learn English. They are just saying us just to learn. It's our choice, and that's it. First question is over. And about the second one, you were saying that from nursery why we are not learning in English. We are learning. Who said we are not learning?
No.
When you will go.
No.
I'm not talking about the Hindi medium or English medium. In Hindi medium also, when you will go, you will firstly learn A, B, C, D. Then you will learn R, A, E. Okay. It depends on the mentality. Okay, teacher's mentality and the school mentality. So you can't say that nursery people are not learning that English and Hindi. They are learning A, B, C, D.
One more question from our side. Neha madam and Ryan sir. If English is very important for us, okay, I am agree with you that we should know English. We must know how to write and all that. During the earlier times when we were the slave of the Britishers, at that time we were not knowing how to put our signature. At that time we were doing only a thumb and the stamp signature was there. Okay, from those many days we have struggled. First, why we have started our education or our studies in Hindi only? During the British time, why we have not preferred English at that time?
Because
firstly, Hindi is our mother tongue. We should always respect Indian. We should always first learn English. I'm not saying English is important, so that's why we should learn English only. Hindi should be know about to all the people. Okay, so earlier when you were saying we were the slaves of the British. Okay, at that time English was not too much famous, so we were learning our mother tongue as they were learning their mother tongue. Okay, then after some time we were slaves, so we were not able to understand their language. Okay.
200 years they were here in India.
Yes, I
Why
know.
at that time we have not learned
I'm
English?
saying-
If English is very important for
From
us.
the starting, we were not learning Hindi, but at the middle, we started learning English.
Yes.
Like when you will see Subhash Chandra Bose and Mahatma Gandhi, they also knows the English because they
At the time, the Ravindranath Tagore, the famous poetry, they can also write a poem in English only.
Okay, they went to
They
the
are on
foreign
that
countries.
English is very
They went to the
important.
foreign countries. They went to abroad to learn English. Not in India, it was preferred.
So we are only saying they went to the foreign to learn
And
English.
they have
English
brought
is
English
very
here.
important. So
Okay,
that's
they
why
have
they went there.
the reason is what we are learning because we have to
See.
settle now. Okay, with all the different countries, we have to be in touch with everyone. That's why we are learning English. Only
Exactly.
for our basic earning.
Exactly.
Okay,
Exactly.
not it's our taste. Neither it is has been forced for us to learn. Still now, in the village peoples, when I used to visit them as my project or a research, I used to found that they are unable to understand how to say. Still, they are saying namaste. Why?
Yes.
Why are they not saying
And,
hi, hello?
They should say namaste only because it is our mother tongue and they should
Why-
respect
Can
it.
you think that are you expecting from them that they are going to leave their mother
No,
tongue?
no one
and,
is saying to leave Hindi. No
Yes.
one is
you are
saying.
saying hello,
We are just
but they
saying
are
to
saying
promote
namaste.
English.
It's our India's culture.
You can go to the
cannot forget
foreign. You can say namaste. They will also reply the same.
Okay, they
Because
can.
they are also learning
They are
Hindi.
the
They are
advanced
also.
countries, but when they are coming here, they itself talks in Hindi. Why?
Hindi is also important. Hindi is also.
Now,
we are not opposing
whenever
Hindi.
they are
But
going to-
English
You
is
are
international language,
opposing
na?
us to oppose. We are not opposing.
Then you are saying that
English is an international language.
Yes.
I understand.
Please complete my question.
It's only for Indian people. It's only for Indian people. It's an international.
No,
language.
it's
But
not
when,
like that.
But when the foreigners are coming here, I have itself talked to them in Mumbai, in Taj Mahal, in Agra. They are speaking in Hindi only.
No, they are speaking
Yes.
English.
They are-
I proved that.
No,
I proved
with
that.
the Indian
I
people.
proved that.
With the Indian
Let him
people,
say, let him
with the
say.
Indian people, they are talking in Hindi. Hello, namaste. Why they are saying like
I
this?
can prove that now. I
Because
proved that.
our Hindi is too good and it is
Okay.
very lovely. That's what they are also saying.
Okay,
Again and again I'm saying we are not opposing Hindi.
English
Hindi
is
is
very important.
good.
Okay, tell me, complete my answer. Why the MS Dhoni talking in English in during match? It is played by Indian team na. Why the Salman Khan, Aishwarya Rai, Katrina Kaif, they can learn a dialogue and they can say after in front of the camera. Why they can dialogue?
Because they want their earning.
Exactly.
No,
They
no.
want the earning. For the
Okay.
earning only, they are learning English.
That
Okay.
is our point.
Okay,
That
why
is
the
our
Indian
point.
team was talking in English? They can play by the Indian team na.
Because
Why?
they have to maintain their level in the international places ना. Because they have to maintain a level. हाँ, उनको अपना level maintain करना. That's why they are talking in English.
Exactly.
So that the other team
Exactly.
can-
English is a classical language.
हाँ.
Okay,
Okay, let me say, it is my point that in the present generation we need English for TRP and also for MRP. Okay.
Hmm.
So for TRP that means promotion of anything, for advertisement.
Advertisement.
So that all the people of the world can able to understand that particular
Yes,
product.
English is
Okay,
very,
okay,
very.
okay.
Let him say, let him say.
situation according, every language is important.
Yes,
Okay.
it is important. And English is given more
Okay,
priority. That's what I say.
Okay. Please complete my
Let him
question.
say.
Your father has been see to cricket match. Your father has been,
Yeah.
yeah. When your father know English very well. Yes or no?
No.
No. When the end of the match, the India.
My father was only Star Sports Hindi, Hindi language.
Okay. I am
You
proving
don't watch,
that.
English.
Na. Yes, I can prove. When the match was end, the player will become in commentary and they can talk in English. They can't talk in
But-
Hindi.
but my
In
father
Hindi,
don't listen
in Hindi
English.
we can in Hindi we can see in Hindi channel we can be seeing that talk in English. Why they can talk in Hindi?
Match
in
is no
English.
bad, but my father closed the TV after that.
Why? Your father can't interest in match. Your father is can't interest in what we can say. Because you know the English, because
My
English
father
is
no
very
interest to Coventry.
Oh.
Actually, what happens nowadays? It is the government rule that we should have must learn. We must learn one subject English. It's compulsory in all the educational schools. Okay, but during the olden times, the olden people still they talk in their own mother tongue.
No, not old.
Why you are going to the
Okay.
old?
And,
Okay. A Jyoti Vidyalaya school.
Live in
Okay.
present.
It is a 50. It is a at least 50 or 60 years ago.
100 years.
100 years ago complete.
Okay.
At least 100 years ago it is English medium.
So they
In
are
100 years the starting will be English.
Okay, now they are preferring English, but earlier they were also thought that if we are opening Hindi,
Let me.
Hindi is
I
already
have one
learned by
question.
everyone.
I have one question. Why you are going to the earliest? Live in present. Talk about the present.
Okay, how you are going to motivate the older peoples who are the backbone of our nation?
You can
Can you
say.
talk to your mom in English?
Yes.
And
Yes.
she-
Yes.
I can talk.
No,
I can talk because my mom is
You can talk because she is educated.
Yes.
Yes.
Because their family
Yes, my
is
mom
from
is
the
educated.
English, from the English background.
Okay.
That's why she
It
has insisted you to go to the English medium school. Suppose the students, those parents are from the Hindi medium background.
We
How,
are
why
again and
insist
again.
on-
I'm repeating that we are
That's
not
what we can
opposing
say.
Hindi. We are not opposing. You should know English.
Why
It is
English
our
is not given
my
free
mother
of
should.
cost to
Okay,
everywhere?
just suppose my mother is uneducated. Okay,
Huh.
she should know. I will support her to know the English because as you will see everywhere,
Everywhere
English
English
is there. Now also we are coming here to learn English. Why we are coming? Just for the MRP, as I have told
Okay.
you, for the money, for education, for the skills.
we can try for job in so English is so
Okay.
so important.
Okay.
Not the we can our interview
why
can,
the question
can
paper?
first.
Okay,
First-
later.
Why in the question paper the question comes both in Hindi and English language?
No.
It is just in Hindi medium, not in
Only
English.
just
No.
in Hindi medium, not in English
No.
medium.
I'm talking about the
What
this,
paper?
RRB
No,
question
no.
paper.
No, that-
Why the
What
question paper
was
comes
no
in
English.
both the language?
No, both.
Why? What
It is
the reason?
because there are two kind of people, the Hindi medium and the English medium. Those who knows English
Okay.
very well.
Okay.
It is not like that. Some Hindi medium students are also there who knows
Who is
English.
unable to understand?
Who knows English? He
But
knows
unable to
English.
understand the meaning
He's
of
a
that
Hindi
particular
medium.
question.
No, he is understand, but he's not saying why we are saying. Too much loud.
But
Just say one point, Manish, in English.
Please.
Say any
Say,
point.
Manish, why you hesitate to speak in English?
Just say any point, whatever you want to say. I just
Do
want
you
to learn
learn English?
I just want to
Yes.
show your
Do
English
you
to
learn
her.
English?
Yes.
You want to do something good in English? That's why you are learning English. But
You are
here
a
you
Hindi
say
medium
you
student, no?
leave your Hindi
You want to
language,
learn
your
no?
mother tongue, and
My mother
only.
tongue Hindi, but my problem I go to government job and other
Then
job
also
to use
you
or
need English.
read English
Do you need
other
English there?
states and
Do you need the English or not? Please tell me my answer.
But,
question.
Yes or no?
English, yes or no?
Yes or no?
Only.
Do you need
Please.
English?
English is not
Why are you
but
learning
situation
English here?
according to English
But
important.
you
So why are you learning English here? Why are you learning English here?
Modernization.
Please tell me.
Because it's a demand for the modernization.
Exactly.
That
That's
we have to
exactly
learn
what I'm
English.
saying.
Okay.
Then you will go to the foreign or to another
But it is not the
country.
meaning of that we should leave Hindi and we should
We
only
are not
prefer.
saying. Again, I'm repeating. We are not
But why you are
opposing the
loving-
Hindi.
why you are
We
loving
not
English?
I am loving English.
I am also loving
Okay,
English.
just a minute. You are loving your mummy.
Yes, sure.
Then why are you loving your father? They both are very important in
They
your
both
life.
are very
In
important.
their own position,
But
they are
English
very
is so
important.
English is
Exactly.
English is very important. I love English.
One question.
Okay.
Suppose if we are going to Kerala and if we are going to ask them not to talk in Malayalam and talk only in English, do you think so they will prefer it?
They will never
Yes.
talk. No, they will not talk. Why they will talk? They love their mother tongue.
They
Exactly. That's what again I'm repeating that we are not opposing Hindi. We are just supporting English.
Okay, so you want that all the Indian peoples must learn English.
Yes, they
for their
should learn
betterment,
Hindi.
for their
Yes,
improvement.
exactly.
है ना? Nowadays we are saying that everything is very common in English, and when we are talking in English, we are getting a personality
Yes.
just in a different way. So we want that taste in our life, and that's why we are learning English.
Just not the personality, the skills. The
Okay,
personality
the skills
or the
also.
skills.
After some time, after 9 years, English is a very
Attention
very
language.
fast.
Language.
Everyone, every people should talk in English.
Yes.
So why we are learning English?
But the same thing when we will be going on another country,
Yes.
they are very much interested
After
to
10
learn
years,
English.
she can.
Exactly.
And they are also
No.
interested to learn Hindi.
Yes.
Why they are
See.
interested to learn Hindi?
Because we are interested to learn English. As we are interested in learning in English,
English.
they are also countries have done.
So
It is
now
our taste.
the foundation of these languages has been removed from each and every person, and that's why all the countries are equal now, and we are just imparting our languages
English-
and our knowledges to the other countries.
Because English is a
So-
classical language.
Okay,
And
it is
it's
all
also-
classical, and
English is
it's also a very multi
And it is also
bi-language,
international
okay.
language, and
That's
about
why we are
about
preferring it.
many people they speak, about crores people they speak in English.
In English.
They prefer English more because English is very easy language and you can understand
And
it very
nowadays
easily.
we are learning English more and more only because of this technology.
And
The
our
technology, these mobiles,
Yes,
these
mobiles,
computers,
computers and
they
all.
are forcing us to learn. Because
Exactly.
when we are sitting
You
in
are
front of a
supporting
machine,
our
okay,
topic.
when we are sitting in front of a machine, we have to talk to the machine in English.
No,
Because
it's
the
not like
software
that.
has been created like that. But nowadays, the software is also changed in Hindi.
No.
You can
Yeah.
also,
Yes,
you
yes,
can
yes.
also do your work and
Mobile
chatting
and
and
say.
everything
In
in
Hindi
the Hindi
also.
language also.
Yes, it is like
So
that.
it
But
depends on our
us.
taste.
Yes.
Suppose if we want to talk in Hindi, we want to chat in a Hindi from the
Exactly.
different nation.
And
Now
in
there is
English,
also
Malayalam,
conversion
Marathi,
of the
yeah.
languages. Suppose I am typing in Hindi,
Yeah.
so the mobiles are going to convert it in a different language to the different countries. So I prefer that I must go with my mother tongue and I should use it because everything is now the machine is doing.
Yeah.
So it's useless
You
to
will
waste
write
the
in your own
money
way.
for learning English, and I will
No,
go with the
you
Indian
will write in
language.
your own way. You just don't waste your money in learning English and going to the class. You learn by yourself. There are
Yes,
so many books in
I
the
am
school.
learning.
You can learn from your machine. In Hindi
But
also you can learn.
also, both the language is very important for overall development of the
Exactly.
country and for ourselves also. So we cannot ignore Hindi, we cannot
We are not
ignore English,
ignoring.
but we have to go together
See,
with this.
as you have told that the foreign people comes here and say namaste and all. In our country, I will talk about myself. When
Yes.
relatives comes to me and they say, I say to them namaste because I know the Hindi and mother tongue is very important. I say to them namaste, but when my friends comes, I don't say them namaste. I say them hello. It depends on the person how they are and how we should talk to them. So it is our mentality that how we prefer them,
But
and how we
generally, when we used to go
Okay.
to station,
Okay.
when we used
First
to
of
go to
all,
the market, local
Okay.
market,
Let me
we
say-
cannot talk in English there now. In the local market,
It's not like
in
that.
the local people,
Local- okay, it is
we
a-
are unable to understand what
Because
is the
we
meaning.
are
Very
doing
good
local
question.
things
What-
now.
what we-
But
what
when
is the
you
name
go
of
to
this
the
festival?
malls, you can speak
Okay,
English.
so we have to prefer both the subjects together.
Yes.
Okay.
It
First
is
of
what you
all,
want.
ask my question. I have one question. Your father is doing to job out of station.
Okay.
Are you calling your father? So what you can say first of all?
First of all, I used to call him in Hindi only.
Yes.
Why?
Why? Because he is also preferring Hindi.
Why?
And if he is preferring English, then I'll be able to talk in English. What do you want to ask? That whether I should, suppose I am having my mother tongue in Telugu, then I will be going for it. You are from Bihar, then you will be talking in Bihari, in Bhojpuri language at home. Suppose your uncle had kids.
But I am talking with my father in English only because my father talk in English, not in Hindi.
But you cannot talk in Hindi or English everywhere. First, you have to test a person whether that person is knowing Hindi or not. According to
My
his
father
knowledge,
is talking everywhere in English, not in Hindi.
Okay, in the home you can, not only with the father, you also have to work according to the outside world. We have to know whether they are knowing or not. Suppose a South Indian people comes and starts talking in Telugu with us and we are not knowing. So who is in loss? He or we?
He
So
is
for
in
his sake we cannot learn Telugu. How many languages we will be learning? So that's why English has been preferred for our help. But it's not compulsory to learn. Still there is choice. If it is compulsory, then all the Hindi medium schools have been ruined up. And only the English medium school will be run.
That is our point. It is not compulsory to learn English.
Yes. But
It is not
you are
compulsory.
preferring that
But
it
we
should be
should
side by
learn.
side.
We should learn. Actually, it is compulsory because the government have allowed. It is not the must that you should learn only English. You should know the Hindi language because it is our mother tongue and we should always respect it.
Do you think so? One question from your side. Do you think so that the foreign peoples are making their students to learn Hindi one subject? Why we are learning here Chinese, Japanese, Spain language and other language?
No, we are not learning.
Why they are not
As
learning
compared
Hindi?
to the English, no other language is given priority.
Okay.
English and Hindi.
English and Hindi.
No other language is
But do
given
you
priority.
think so
in
that
India.
the American students are learning Hindi?
Yes, they
Yes.
are learning.
They are learning.
They are learning.
Learning.
Okay.
There are
It
so
means
many
Hindi is
coaching
also
classes.
now an international language.
No, it is not
Not
international
international
language
language.
because international language you cannot go to that. Just Bhojpuri you can't make it international. International because every people they are
the
speaking
Bhojpuri
very.
means it comes Bihar, and Bihar
That,
is
I was
inside
just
India.
giving an example that you can't make. Okay, can you make Marathi language national?
No, that is a
Exactly,
state language.
exactly, you can't-
That's a state language. It's a
Hindi,
local language.
Hindi is not
But English
international.
or mother tongue.
Hindi is not international because Hindi is not easy to learn. Hindi have so
So
many
English is
words.
also not easy to learn.
It is easy
We are
compared
not
to
very
Hindi.
much perfect in
No,
English.
I'm not saying that it is
There are
because
lots of
as
mistakes in English when
let
we
me
are
complete
speaking.
my point.
But we are feeling
Let me complete my point.
It's a
But
debate.
it's very
No,
hard.
let me complete my point.
Okay.
As compared to the Hindi, you can't say that English is more easy because Hindi is more hard actually. When you will go to the Sanskrit and all, it's too hard. And Hindi came from the Sanskrit and English came little bit from Sanskrit Hindi. English have taken many words from other languages. So English is more easy to learn more
Okay,
than
but
English or
I
other
think so.
languages.
I think
That's
so.
why it is international.
English language is not a perfect language in
Yes,
itself.
it is not perfect and it is
Now
easy.
Indian peoples we used to call it a language of a poor person. Why? Because they don't have lots of words.
Exactly,
Lots of words.
that's what I'm saying. You're supporting my topic.
Okay,
Thank you.
now English, I am not supporting you, but I am
You are
saying
supporting.
Hindi is our mother tongue and it's have lots of words,
Yes,
which
it is.
nowadays the English peoples are copying in their
That
dictionary.
is my point. Now that's why it is
So
international
if
because
it
it
is
is
an
easy to
international language, it
learn.
must have lots of words.
It is easy to learn. That's why it is international language so that anyone can understand very easily and can learn very easily.
Here we can say chacha, mama, okay,
But yes, but in
mommy and all.
English,
But in
there is
English,
only
there is
uncle
only
and
one.
aunt.
Uncle and
Uncle.
uncle. What is
Yes.
the meaning of that? What you will say to my grandfather?
That's what you're saying.
Suppose
There is.
my grandfather is there with
Okay,
me.
let me
What you
say.
will say? Uncle.
No, my grandfather is grandfather is English one. Grandfather is English
Let
one.
me
He is
explain
my
you.
No,
grandfather.
it is my grandfather. It is the English one,
He
no?
will be of yours. He
Wait a
is my grandfather, na?
Okay, let me say.
Please.
You're talking about the Nanaji and Dadaji, na?
Yeah.
Okay.
So he is my dadaji.
Let me explain.
English,
Let me
Nana.
explain you. Nanaji we call maternal grandfather and Dadaji we call paternal grandfather.
You will say your grandfather to be paternal and maternal. What about my grandfather and my paternal and grandfather?
I'm not understanding what you're saying.
Actually, I am saying,
Wait a minute, I'm
suppose
not-
Manish is my grandfather. Okay, you are my friend, and I have introduced you, Neha ma'am. Manish is my grandfather. Belongs
I'm
to
your
Kolkata.
friend.
Yeah,
I'm
you
your
are my
friend.
friend.
I will also
So,
say grandfather.
why you will say?
See,
What
you're my
will
friend.
be resemble? What you will say? Uncle, Dadaji, Nanaji. What?
No, grandfather. Grandfather.
No,
I will call you grandfather. No,
Okay,
you are wrong. Are you wrong? Because you are my friend.
Acha, friends also.
Wrong. Sorry.
So friends also. So we can say
You're
that
wrong.
we have less words.
It's my mistake.
Yes.
Or less
I'm
words in
saying
English.
that. That's why it is international. That's what I'm saying. You were saying that.
You cannot say
okay,
my
let me
chachi.
give an
You
example.
be your chachi na. You will only
Then what will I say?
Namaste.
Then what will I say?
Okay.
Then what will I say? Okay.
You know, you ask with your
Okay, in
language.
Hindi only. Okay, in Hindi only. You tell me
can
what
ask
will I
with the
say?
sir, मैं
Okay,
इनकी
skip
आंटी को
English
क्या
for a while.
बोलूंगी?
Wait a minute. Skip English for a while. Okay.
Okay.
Skip it. Tell me what will I say in Hindi to him? Your Dadaji. What will I say?
You will what? You have to explain. I know that answer.
In
na.
Hindi also, I will say Dadaji only because
Yeah.
You are preferring English, then you have to get that word.
I'm
You are
only saying.
preferring na.
Wait a minute.
I am saying he is my
Okay,
Dadaji.
let me
You will
explain
say.
you in Hindi. Let me explain you. You are my friend. Okay. आप इनको दादाजी बोल रहे हो.
हाँ.
तो मैं भी तो इनको दादाजी बोलूँगी क्योंकि मैं आपकी फ्रेंड हूँ.
But you say
अरे
English.
ये कौन सा रिश्ता हो गया भाई?
See, suppose रिश्ता you can't say any रिश्ता at all.
You will call your Dadaji also Dadaji, grandfather, and my
If-
Dadaji also grandfather. Then what is the difference
If
between
you
your
no, it's not like that. It's not like आप भी अपने दादाजी को होगी, ये भी अपने दादाजी को
पापा को पापा ने होगी।
पापा.
Who is your teacher of English? from where you have studied. So you call your teacher now and ask him कि मैम के दादाजी को मैं इंग्लिश में क्या बोलूँ?
मैम के दादाजी अंकल बोलूँगी.
How you can say uncle? He is not young, he is an old man of 90 years. Then what you will be saying to my husband, uncle only?
दादाजी.
I will say to Dadaji.
नहीं.
आपके देखिए अभी ये आपके पापा हैं.
उनको भी you are
Listen.
You are not understanding.
Okay.
Just relax your mind. Okay, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Okay, relax. Let me explain. ये आपके पापा हैं. आपके हस्बैंड के पापा है कि आपके पापा?
नहीं मेरे पापा.
आपके पर्सनल पापा. मतलब अगर मैं आपकी बेटी होती तो उनको नाना जी बोलती ऐसे वाले.
हाँ.
ठीक है. तो ठीक है कि आपके पापा हैं.
He is my father. I am calling him father. What you will say?
दादा अंकल.
अच्छा तो भाई के छोटे मतलब पापा के छोटे भाई को बोलते
तो
हैं.
फ्रेंड के पापा को भी तो चाचा ही बोलेंगे ना.
अच्छा. Okay.
Yes.
You will be saying chacha.
Chacha.
Okay. What you will be calling them to my husband?
मैं तो अभी आपकी फ्रेंड हूँ ना तो आपके हस्बैंड को
मेरे
मैं
husband को क्या
आपके नाम
बोलेंगे?
उनके नाम से बोलूँगी. आपकी फ्रेंड हूँ ना मैं अभी.
Suppose you are very small. How you can take that?
Chicha.
Excuse me. Please. What is the English word of Jiju? Jiju is a Hindi word.
Jiju is a Hindi word.
Then in English, what do you call Jiju?
It is also called brother only.
Ram, can I interfere? We need your help.
Brother only. We call Jiju brother only. Hello, I'm saying brother only. We call Jiju as brother only.
Okay, so my husband will be your brother.
Yes.
Then why we are saying it in Hindi? Sali, sali, adi. वो अगर आपके भाई हुए तो फिर साली साली आदि
See, listen.
I can cut that point. You can cut.
Yes, I have.
First, you can't cut. After that, I will cut. the
You
point.
can't do this because I have not invented English, okay? I have not invented English. You can't just go through me only, okay? I have not invented.
So it means what you will say is correct.
No.
I must agree with
No,
this.
I'm not saying like that. What you don't like, just oppose me.
Okay. Sir, can I get a help from you, phone a friend? Ram, can you tell me the English word for helping my Dadaji, my husband, my Jiju and all? Please tell us.
There are so many words you can relate with that maternal and paternal. You will get your answer, okay? I know English have two less words.
Yes.
I know English have two less words.
Please help. We want your help. We want that particular word.
I have told you.
Okay.
We call it as a brother only.
Brother only.
Brother only.
So now it's not.
Sorry, I
change the
wait a
name of the
minute.
relation.
Wait a minute. I don't remember. We used to add a word also before or after the brother. I'm just saying as your brother. I don't know the specific name of Jiju, but it is there. I will search you and say you. There is brother, but which brother I don't remember.
Okay. Now one thing I must tell you that though we are studying English, but we are not from the birth we are studying English. है ना? In
Now
Hindi-
from birth only you started
In
English.
Hindi, we are very much familiar with all these words. We
Yes.
know the importance of the Hindi words in our life, in our family, in the society. Okay, we know how to respect everyone. And in place of grandfather, maternal uncle and all, we are knowing this. But in English, we are always in confusion. What will be the correct way to present it to the
Yes.
person?
Yes.
So why this confusion is always created in English?
See, I already told you that English have two less words. It is very cheap language. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why only anyone can
So you
understand
are
it.
accepting it that it is a cheap language?
Cheap in this is not saying like
Can you say
that.
in front of the media that English is a cheap language?
Yes, I can say because it is because we have too much less as compared to the Hindi. It is cheap. Compared to Hindi, I'm saying.
It means we are the winner. It means
No.
we are the costlier.
Wait a minute, you are not winner because you have not. Your topic was just to oppose English, not to support Hindi. Okay.
When
So you are not
we are
winner.
opposing Hindi, it means we are supporting English.
No, it's not like that.
And
No, it is
if
not
you are
like
supporting
that.
English, it means you are making us, you are saying that Hindi is not so good.
No,
That's why you are
it
preferring
is
English.
also not mean. It is not mean.
Okay.
I'm just saying you just listen to me. I'm supporting one thing. It doesn't mean that I'm not supporting the another one.
So tell me, what is the Hindi name of the cake? What we can say the Hindi name is of the cake?
It means that it is in cricket.
Cake. Now, what is the Hindi name of the cake?
No, first of all, let me
Oh.
tell you. Listen.
Yes.
Cake was actually it is not an Indian dish.
Oh.
It is a
So one name is Hindi also.
Okay.
Na? Please tell me the Hindi name.
No.
Please tell me the Hindi name.
Because of them we are using this word cake.
Okay.
अगर मैं आपको बोलूँगी कि इमरती का इंग्लिश वर्ड क्या है in English, can you tell me? जलेबी को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
Sweet.
Round sweet.
अगर हम
Round sweet.
Round sweet.
Round sweet.
What is this round?
Please, you can use the Google. You can. I will prove. You can use the Google.
Rasgulla is also English and Hindi both
Okay, so
words.
all the sweets are round. All the sweets are round. Huh? Except the barfi. In this section,
They have the specific name. They have this, and jalebi we also call it in English. Jalebi.
Why we are using
Some words are there which we use if we use our Hindi only, then it sounds good.
jalebi is an Hindi word. You prefer with this? Ki from the last so many years we are saying jalebi to jalebi only, and still there is no another word in English.
Round sweet. That's the English name.
Okay, round sweet.
No,
But do you
let
think
me
that word
say-
is very proper with that?
Let me say,
sweet?
as already I've told you, we are not opposing Hindi, and there are so many words
Yes,
which
which
sounds
cannot be
good.
converted.
Which sounds
In
good in
English.
Hindi only compared to the
And
English.
How Rai sir had said that we cannot convert cake into Hindi language. We don't have still any kind of word. So there are so many things.
Exactly
and
that.
we are merged together now with Hindi and with English.
That's what we want to say. That Hindi is
Overall,
very
it depends
important.
on our choice which subjects we are preferring.
Exactly.
which
Hindi
language
is
we are
very good in
preferring.
its own way, and English is also very important. You can't say that English is not important.
Now we cannot
It is-
say Hindi or English is important, but it
Exactly.
is nowadays very compulsory. Okay, when we have to write with the
It
word,
was only
we
about
have to
topic.
go
English
for
is
that.
important
Okay,
or
only
not.
one
Not
question.
think about the
And why they have preferred English? The reason is what Manish said, because computer
like
and
English?
technology.
You like English?
Yes.
Every time you speak English.
No.
Why?
Do you love your mother and father?
Every time, yes, I love.
Yes.
No. Do you be with them every time, 24/7?
Okay.
Do
After
you
that
be-
Wait,
you will speak English.
language is different. Language comes from your inner heart.
No, I'm not saying. If I will say I know Bhojpuri, okay?
Okay.
I'm not speaking
But
every
when
time
you are going
Bhojpuri.
to the
No, that time also
you
I
are
don't-
talking. Can you
I-
talk in English with
Yes,
the auto person?
yes, I'm
In
saying,
the
I'm
station you can
speaking.
speak. हाँ, और शराब वहाँ बेचने वाले लोगों के साथ can you talk in English?
I will not talk. I'll just ask them, give.
अगर आप
They will
उनको
give.
बोलेंगे what is the cost of the nut?
No, it is not like that. You will speak.
And if you are going to what is
Wait a
the-
minute, wait a
Can you
minute.
please
Why
give
you
me a
going
fresh
all
peanuts?
this? Why you going all this deeply in Hindi only? It is not a topic to support Hindi. Just suppose English. Hindi is very, very good in its own way. Your topic, you're distracting about your topic. Your topic is to oppose English,
Yes,
not to
I'm
support
opposing.
Hindi.
No, you cannot speak in the station. Why the person who are begging
See.
in the station or anywhere,
See.
they are not singing the song in
Singing
English.
song
Why
in
they are
English.
saying they
Exactly.
So the beggars must also
Yes.
sing the song in English, na?
About the 11th or the 12th time, I'm repeating that Hindi is very important in its
Yes,
own way.
yes.
I'm not opposing Hindi.
Okay.
Last time I'm saying,
What is the
don't
conclusion
force
of
me
the
to.
debate?
Don't
What is
force
the
me.
conclusion? Why the debate
This
is
is not a debate.
Yes,
it's a
come on.
group
What is the
discussion.
conclusion?
Okay. What's the conclusion?
According to you.
Please give the conclusion.
Yes, you can give.
No, you also give.
Sir said
After
now.
that,
Wait a minute.
we do-
Quiet. Sir said now you give that way.
Okay, now
Yes, come on.
according to me, English is not a very bad subject. It depends upon the interest on us, that whether we are interested. There are so many people who are not studying English, neither they are studying the Hindi language, but they are preferring Spain and French. Why? Because they want to shift there for earning. There are so many people who are studying Urdu also in India. So the reason is what? They want to shift there, they want to migrate there for their livelihood, for their earning. So English language or Hindi language or any of the other religion language or the country's language depends upon the taste of one ourselves, that which language we are preferring. If we have an interest, we can learn English very easily. If we don't have an interest, we cannot learn Hindi also very easily, and we will be feeling very difficult. So according to me, English is also as much as Hindi, but we should never forget that we got the bread and butter and we are born in India. So we should never ignore Hindi. First, we should always prefer Hindi, and if it will be possible, the second language must be talked in English from those persons who know English very well. We never show our hi-fi attitudes in front of the Indian peoples where we have born and grown up in front of them. Where it is needed in the offices or among the official peoples, we must prefer English. But if it is compulsory, we must never ignore it and always try to follow Hindi also. And we should not give coffins to the Hindi language in being staying in India. Thank you.
Thank you.
As we know that English is our international language, so the person who are sitting in the upper chair, they only decided that English is international language. They have thought something, then only they have decided that. Because as we know, to communicate for the business or for education, for any purpose, we need to one language, one easy language, and for which we will be comfortable, we use that language so that we can communicate to the other people, to the other country. So we need English. English is very important. I'm not saying that Hindi is not important or we should not learn Hindi. Hindi is very important because it is our mother tongue, and we started from Hindi only to the English. Now also in India, only 40% people knows English, not the 60% people. So I think English is very important because it need everywhere. And about the Hindi is not bad because Hindi is our mother tongue. We should always respect Hindi. So Hindi is very good in its own way, and English is also very important in its own way. Thank you.
So audience, we are very happy to be in front of you and to discuss on this particular topic. We are the students of the classes ASEC. So we are very proud of our sir who has trained us for this debate and make us and guided us to come in this position and to talk and to give you all this very precious information. Thank you overall to everyone, and nice to meet you, Rai sir, Neha ma'am, and Manish too. Okay, it's very good, and we are still the students of ASEC group and family. Thank you all of you.